Hello everybody, the Mustang Life coming at you again with this diecast review. I got this for Christmas this year. It's a 1965 Mustang Fastback Tasca Ford AFX race car. Very low number. This is number 9. It's actually for a ACME car. Very beautiful. Paint's great. Nothing's broke. Just a really nice car. And here's the top view. You can see a little bit of that big teardrop hood and the gold paint over the top. This is based on a real drag car from the 60s. It's very nice. And here, the hood is just plastic. A lot of parts on this felt like it was plastic. The doors seem to be plastic. Here's the engine, 427 race engine. I did a video on these cars earlier, like the history of these cars. Here you see the parachute. And the trunk opens and you see the big, huge, heavy-duty battery, the extra spare tire in there. Very plain Jane, no carpeting. When we get to the interior, like I said, I think these doors are actually plastic. You can see the full roll cage in there. There's a tack above the gauge cluster and a set of 3 extra gauges over there. I was wrong. The front does have carpeting in. You can see a couple of those little side panels. Detailing is very nice on it. You see a little pull lever there for the fire suppression system. Here's the underneath. Just straight headers right into little collector dumps. And you see the fuel cell there and the fuel pump. Well, this is another car. This is an Ertl. I think they used to call these street machines from years ago. It's basically a 68 Mustang. Has like a 69 or 70 Boss 429 hood. Attack on the hood. These work pretty cool. I bought these cheap. Now they're pretty expensive. You can see the little tack. And it even has a little wire coming off of it. Here's another view of the hood detail. Looks pretty good. Now there is something about this car. You would think, being a street machine, this looks like it's just a regular little old 302 or possibly a 351. You'd think they would have put, like a 390 or something in it. And the interior, it's detailed decently. Gauges in there. Could do with a little touch up, but here you can see the roll bar has an automatic shifter on it. The rear seat does look like it's been deleted. Yeah, there's the automatic shifter. Full console. Like I said, could use some paint touch-ups, but I don't really feel like taking it all apart. And here's the underneath. Just like the other car, got headers right in the collectors, and then it does have traction bars over the rear. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications for when